Hi everyone, it's June. Welcome back to my channel. And before I get started, let me give you all a big ol' hug. Tell each and every one of you how much I love and adore you. And if you're here because you read the title, you probably have some sort of hair loss going on. Otherwise, why would you click the title? But as you can see, so do I. So yeah, I've been battling hair loss for a very long time. You can see in my previous videos, I'll have them linked up here and down below, that I wear toppers, I conceal with eyeshadow and all kinds of stuff. We're gonna get down to the nitty gritty. Today I am doing the neem tea bag hair growth remedy. Yes, I found this in a local store. I was so surprised. This is 100% neem tea leaves. This has wonderful properties, and I've done a hair growth challenge on neem oil, which I loved, and you can find it in the description bar down below. Give this video a big old thumbs up and press the bell notification so you can be notified when I make these videos. So if this doesn't work for you, maybe something else will work for you. I'm dedicating my time to bring these remedies to you in hopes that it would work for you. Keep watching, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the box it comes in, and as you can see right on the box, it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which this is what we want for our scalp. We want something that's going to clean the scalp and get the blood flowing. And you guys know I love neem. So let's get this box open, and I can show you what the tea bags look like. So they are not individually wrapped. So you want to remove one tea bag at a time, and you can either put it in a sealed container or a bag. Okay, so now you're going to take boiling water and you're going to seep the tea bag in there. Now, I want to seep this for 24 hours. I want to get it really nice and cool. So you're going to cover it and seep it for 24 hours. Okay, you guys, let's wait 24 hours and I will see you back here. You want to start with a fresh, clean scalp. So you will wash your hair, use a very good mild shampoo, conditioner. I'm using Organic Doctors. I love this shampoo and conditioner. And what you want to do, whether you do it with your hands or you have a massage brush, I want you to gently brush through, okay? So this is getting the blood going. This is what we want to do. I don't want you to do it too hard because I don't want you to scar up or damage any of your hair follicles, because what we're trying to do is grow the hair, not damage the follicles so that you have more hair loss. So you want to do this for a few minutes. You don't have to do it too long. You could do it like for 3 minutes, and if you see a little redness, that's fine. That's the blood flowing. Okay, so now I'm taking my tea that has been seeping in this water overnight and gently put all over your scalp. It's so nice and cool. You don't want to do it when it's hot. It feels so cool and so refreshing. To not use this tea again. Each box comes with, I think, 20 tea bags. So you have it enough for 20 uses. So okay, so now at this point, if you want, you can take the rest of the tea and you can use it as a rinse. You can put it in a spray bottle and you can actually spray your hair. Like I have some in here. I'm just gonna spray it, and then you're going to take a hair cap. You can keep this in the hair cap for an hour or overnight. I think I'm going to keep this tea in my hair overnight, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. I washed my hair. I washed it with a very mild shampoo. This is Organic Doctor. I washed it with the shampoo and the conditioner, and now I'm just gonna let my hair just dry. Like I said, I'm going to be making a lot of videos on different ways that you can get antifungal remedies into your hair to get rid of the clogged pores, the clogged follicles on your scalp, so that your hair can grow freely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.